हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज 12 नवंबर 2022 है और आज के करंट अफेयर्स इस प्रकार से हैं। सबसे पहला पॉइंट, ऑन विच डेट ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट हैज ऑब्जर्व्ड मिलेट डे दिस ईयर, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज 10th ऑफ नवंबर। Second point, who has been elected as the new president of All India Rubber Industries Association, and the correct answer is Ramesh Kejriwal. Third point, which organization launches a single window facility, Virangana Seva Kendra? And the correct answer is Indian Army. Fourth point, who defeated Novak Djokovic to win his first men's single 2022 Paris Masters title? And the correct answer is Holger Rune. Fifth point, which country to host Women's World Boxing Championship in 2023? And the correct answer is India. Sixth point, the 108 feet bronze statue of whom in Bangalore has created Guinness World Record? And the correct answer is Nanda Prabhu Kempegoda. Seventh point, who has been named as sexiest man alive for 2022 by People's Magazine? And the correct answer is Chris Evans. Eighth point, on which date India will observe Janjatiya Gaurav Divas to remember the contribution of tribal freedom fighters? And the correct answer is 15th November. Ninth point, who has been named as the chairman of the National Monuments Authority? And the correct answer is Kishore K. Basa. Last point for today's current affair is who will be honored with Uttarakhand Gaurav Samman 2022? And the correct answer is NSA Ajit Doval and late CDS जनरल बिपिन रावत। सो गाइस, ये थे आज के करंट अफेयर्स। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी है सो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। थैंक यू एवरीवन, गॉड ब्लेस यू।